past paper practice. The only important tool for the student to pass any of the ACCA paper or any of the paper of any of the qualification. Past paper practice. It's not the question by myself tutor. It's not the question by my examining team. It's not the question by any of the student. It is the questions. These are the questions which are actually designed by ACCA and conducted in the past. And quite may be possible that similar pattern, so you would be able to understand how the examiner is asking for the requirements. So past paper practice is very much important. You should not avoid that. Okay, so past paper practice is very much important. Attempt the questions by yourself. After lectures. On LMS. Now, let's say, for example, when you have studied any topic and you have successfully completed the past paper practice through LMS, you need to attempt other questions by yourself. Read the answers. Read the answers later on. The official answers by examiner. Note the mistake plus accept it that you made the mistake. For example, if you are not accepting your mistake, then what will you improve? So your acceptance of your mistake is very much important. And then read the examiner comments. Examiner comments in your Kaplan exam kit. In your Kaplan exam kit, when you will be reading the answers, right after the answer, there is an examiner comment. Examiner comments that mostly students wrote this well and most of the students made this mistake. So basically it is the comment from the examiner, not from the tutor, not from the institute, not from the examining team. It's a comment from the examiner, right? So it's a very, very important point to read the examiner comments. Must attempt recent past papers from ACCA practice platform. Now see that you are appearing for AAA in June 2026. So for you, 2025, 2024 is the real past paper, the recent past paper, and 2023 as well. So whatever the questions are available on the ACCA practice platform, you must need to practice those papers as well. It's a very important to go with the recent past papers, right?